Hey everyone, welcome to the Market Made channel. I'm Jess M. I am a very frugal person to the point that is sometimes a hindrance, also known as a cheapskate. So in this video, I'll be showing you 3 very easy and inexpensive DIY hacks to help you with winter storage organization, and one of which is a productivity hack to help you with your New Year's goals. And make sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. The first hack is actually how to store scarves if you haven't seen the recent trend of wrapping and donating your scarves. If you're like me and you like going to thrift stores or outlets to find like cool things, I found these Parisian sort of vintage hat boxes that have been sitting in my closet for a long time because I didn't know what to do with them. Then I came up with a good idea. I combined the donating of scarves with my boxes. So what I did was I took all of my lighter scarves that I wear in early fall, summer, and spring, and I put them in the boxes. So take a look at what I did. For the second hack, this is a little bit of a Market Made promotion. I created a custom calendar for me for 2021, and it's a free digital download on my website, and I'll make sure to include a link in the description below. Originally, I sort of was creating it for myself, but then I wanted to make it public. And also, I had a great productivity hack. All you need are the clear plastic holders, a printed off digital download calendar, and some dry erase markers. And the worst part of the entire thing is obviously putting the pieces of paper into the file organizers. Besides that, it's like crazy easy. And what's really nice about this hack is that you can either have it as a desk calendar to write on it, or you can actually hang it up. Check out my productivity hack and how cute my calendar is. I'm just saying. For the third DIY hack, this is, I mean, you can go to a thrift store, but it's more about the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree in that everything is $1 because I'm cheap. But I also really like a lot of their storage and organization containers. For example, some wire baskets. They're like gold or silver, pretty cute. So what I did, I purchased several gold metal baskets. Some of them I use in the kitchen, some of them I use in the bedroom, but I had a few left over and I wasn't sure what to do with them. Then I came up with an idea. You basically take some wire baskets of your choice and how many you want, and you connect them. You can either use twine like I did, you can use chain link to make it a little bit more professional. You could even do it with ribbon and make it a little bit more decorative. And then you basically just tie them together, you hang it up, and then you adjust as needed. So yeah, check it out. So I do have a final tip for you, but I wanted to get this out there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really liked these quick, easy, and inexpensive DIY hacks, please give this video a thumbs up. That'd be very nice of you. And remember to subscribe to the Market Made channel because your girl needs some subscribers and needs to get your views up there so I can keep creating content like this for you. As for my last tip, this is to help you with your 2021 goals and New Year's resolutions. If you are a visual person and you like having your goals on display or something you can see on a daily basis, this tip is a good way to record and display your goals while keeping you accountable. And you could use this idea one of two ways. If you want a whiteboard or some way to record your goals, don't buy a new whiteboard because they do create a lot of waste. What you can do instead is use a mirror you're not using or a thrifted one. And dry erase markers work super well on mirrors. Plus, a lot of the mirrors are already designed for you to hang them on walls. As for my mirror, we've had it in our bedroom forever and we rarely use it, and I've had it since college. And I put it in my office to remind myself for my business goals. But another way you can take this tip and use it to benefit you is for your mental health. Take a dry erase marker and write something positive every day on your vanity mirror or your bathroom mirror to remind yourself that you are enough and you're effing awesome. I almost swore there. Pump yourself up. So that is my final tip for you, to either use a dry erase marker on a mirror to track your goals and keep you accountable, or to lift yourself up for 2021 because you are amazing. And once again, remember to subscribe to the Market Made channel and also follow me on social media at the Market Made. And as always, thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a phenomenal day and take care.